This is apartment 625. Let me show you around. See what you think. All right. When you come in, the kitchen is to the right. You've got lots of cabinets, lots of storage space, side-by-side fridge and freezer. What do you know, more cabinets. And this one that I could just about fit inside. This cabinet, I swear I could fit inside there. Yep, you'd have to take out the shelves though. This apartment has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let me see. Here is one of the sinks. One of the bathrooms has a tub. And then there's a little extra counter space behind here. And then let's go see the guest bedroom. This is actually the living room. It's pretty spacious. Living room and then dining room area all in one. It has a very long patio, which is nice. And then this is your guest bedroom. You turn on the light. Some people use it as an office. And some storage space, a closet for your guest room or office. You have a little coat closet over here. And then this is your master bedroom. So a bit larger than the other one. And it's got quite a lot of, let me get the lights, storage space. There's a whole bunch of closets, several, 3 to be exact. And let me turn the light here. And then you have a lot of counter space, a lot of storage space. And then here's the bathroom, your commode, and some storage, which can stay or go depending on what you like. And then there's a step-in shower with a handheld shower head, which is nice to have in the master bedroom. All right, well, I hope you guys like the tour, and I will follow up with you later. All right, appreciate y'all. Bye.